exciting. I just had one follow. When you're fishing these big streamers, you fish them right to the boat. The fish are attracted by it, they follow. You look down, polarized glasses help not only for eye protection, but also to see into the water. And you'll see this brown olive log sometimes about a foot behind the fly. Sometimes you can just raise the rod tip, stop the fly, flutter it down, they'll pounce right on it. Very exciting fishing.
Got one hooked up here.
Well done, Bob. So you just let that sink.
Yeah.
And the pike, seeing that
just
fly flutter and fall, that
yeah.
white marabou, and just pounced on it.
Hesitation for 30, yeah, right beside the boat actually, not that far out really. See if I can get him on the reel here. And
you don't accidentally step on. Maybe we can get us a double header. Maybe it's that big one that I saw rolling around a few seconds ago.
Oh,
now he's woken up.
I think he's just a little bit bigger than that one you got.
Oh, good. We're going in the right direction. It's always that way. Everybody gets a little bit bigger than what I got. Well, that's a nice pike. I'm gonna get that cradle in.
Almost an average, eh?
Here, I'll get my rod out of the way.
Yeah. This one doesn't have quite the depth to him, I don't think. A little longer, but nice fish all the same.
Yeah, these pike are a spectacular fly rod fish, that's for sure.
Yes.
Here he comes to get that streamer right in the
I can walk him right into you there.
Yeah.
Oh, I guess he's
I don't know
not
if
quite
he's ready yet.
Not quite ready yet, I guess.
We'll have Bob lead the fish into the cradle.
There he comes maybe this time.
There he comes this time. Oh, perfect. Well done, Bob. I'll let you do the honors on this one. There's the gloves. Bob's putting on a pair of gloves. These pike are slimy. Oh, well done. The fly's already come out, Bob.
Oh, perfect.
That's the way you like it.
Yeah.
That's the way you like it. So I'll just get that out of the cradle for you. And pass the cradle over to you and let you do the honors.